So it doesn't mean that you need to learn MySQL. Don't ask me that question. Even it is not necessary. Even to learn any database is not necessary. Strictly speaking, learning database is not necessary. But by learning some books, we can become perfection in the class. Okay. So programming language learning is most important for us. So today we are going to talk about the MySQL. Already we are well aware of it. We are already perfect in which communication we got it already, ma? Already we are communicated with what? Come on. Oracle. So we completed already Oracle communication. With the Python program, we communicated with the Oracle. Which module we used it, ma? Which module we used it for communicating with Oracle? CX underscore Oracle. Excellent. CX underscore Oracle we use it. Right. Similarly, we use same kind of thing. We use another type of module is there to communicate with the MySQL kind of module. We use another kind of module is there. What is that module? We are going to see in the class. We are going to see what is that module in the class. What is that module? We are going to see very shortly. So let us start a discussion with the MySQL communication. So today's concept is establishing the communication between MySQL and then Python. MySQL and then Python. Already we had a big discussion about in the Sunday class and Monday class and then Tuesday class we discussed with the classes called what? With 9 people I combinedly discussed with you. Even that folder I kept in your place also. That is called Python with Oracle. So here, so many examples we discussed by communicating with the database. So that nodes is there with you. That nodes is there. There what? Python database communication. What is the importance of it? That is the same importance will be continued. So the same importance will be continued even today also. So this is a Python database communication or communication between the Python and then database software. Just for 2 minutes we will see and then I will move forward. So we achieved the persistency by using the concept of files. And files are having some limitations. Already we understood. Files of any language are unsecured because they doesn't have the username and password. Since I already discussed with you people, just I'm showing you just to put you into the same line. To recapitulate those things, I'm just asking you. Files concept does not allow us to store a large volume of data. A large volume of data cannot be allowed. Files concept, the data of the file can be manipulated by any unauthorized user because files does not provide any username and password. And next, querying the data from multiple files is very, very complex. And the next, structure of the file may differ from one OS to another OS. May differ from one OS to another OS. To overcome these problems in the industry, Python language, we prefer to achieve the data persistency with the RDBMS products. That is called Relational Database Management System products. So products are called what? Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, PostgreSQL, Supersonic Database, DB. There are so many number of databases are there. And advantages of database software, I said, provides username and password, allows you large volume of data to store, and all these things we already discussed in the class. Already we took these 3 things in the class. And after that, we go for database software also. So database software, the data stored in the database software in the form of tables. Already you are well aware of this. So coming real me. So we will show you in the last month. Okay, please continue this. Last we will go for it. You will take screenshot, no problem. Okay, first go for it. So the Python association with any database software. If a Python want to associate with any database software, if a Python want to communicate with any database software, you must install. If Python programming want to communicate with any database software, then first we must install a separate module use a tool called pip tool. The pip tool is present in C: users that folder name app data local programs Python 39. In scripts folder, this pip tool is available, and you are already well aware of that. How to use it? Syntax for using pip tool. Pip install that module name. Right? So coming to the point of it, we installed this one. So pip install cx_module name. So sometimes pip, I wrote the answer also. Sometimes we get pip is not recognized as internal. That time we must set the path. I told the path also. During when you don't set the path in the beginning days, that time we will get this type of error. If we set the path now, there is no need to set the path like this. Dear students, are you understanding? So we already understand this type of path. So dear students, Oracle is different. SQL Server is different. For Oracle and this one is same, don't get the type of doubts. Oracle is different. SQL Server is different. So please take care about it. This is for .NET people. This is for Java people. Can communicate with any one of the database. For Python people, the most demanding in the 99.99% of the industry, Python projects uses Oracle and MySQL. So Oracle and SQL Server is same. That type of doubts you don't get it. And I don't want to entertain that type of doubts here. Okay, please be careful. Try to understand very carefully from my class. Right. So let me move forward to the next discussion we started. The steps also I discussed it. Steps for developing the Python program communication with the Oracle. Steps for communicating with the Oracle. So here I went to the specific part we started with. So specific part. So that I need not to repeat once again in the class. Already we discussed it. Actually next day only I want to complete that. But the next day we are in the discussion of some topic. So I don't want to stop the topic and I don't want to continue. So of course, I hope you are remembering. Are you remembering that communication steps or already forget, ma? Do you remember or forget, ma? Remembered or forget? Yes. Remembering. Yes. Yes, sir. A very intelligent student definitely will remember. There is no doubt in that. They will remember. Nothing will forget. Yeah. Because we did not explain like a forgetting kind of things. I did not. Yeah. That's what I'm just doing the revision for 2 minutes. Import appropriate module, database software, and other modules if required. I am importing CX_Oracle. Python program must obtain a connection from the database software. Create an object of cursor object in Python program, which is used to carry the query. Next, design a query, place the query in the cursor object, and then send and execute the query to the database. Python program process the result which come from the database software. And Python program closes the connection. And here I explained about this type of explanation. Import appropriate module. This is the module we imported for Oracle. Second step, Python program must obtain the connection from the database software. For that, we will use one function called connect function. Which is present in where? CX_Oracle module. CX_Oracle connect username, password syntax I am saying to you, @DNS service ID. I explained what is username, what is a password, in your system. In my system it was Scott and Tiger. In KVR system it is called Scott and Tiger. And DNS is nothing but a name or IP address of the machine where database software is installed. The default DNS of your machine is localhost. The default IP address of every PC is 127.0.1, which is also known as loopback address. Very perfectly explained. Service ID represents on which mission database software is available. In our mission, there is an alias name is created for original database name. How do you find that? Select service ID. How to find the service ID of our database? I wrote the statement also. Select star from global underscore name. Output is coming like this. So example also I wrote. But that get the connection Oracle database. Get the connection from Oracle database. I wrote the statement. CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connector. Scott / tiger @ localhost ORCL. In my system ORCL. Localhost explain. So we got the connection. CON is an object of connection class. In which module? CX underscore correct Oracle. Python program obtains the connection. Next what? Create an object of a cursor. Same steps will be coming in MySQL also. That's why I'm repeating. Actually, I need not to repeat. Again, same steps will come in MySQL. Only module name will change. Yes. How do you bring that? Create an object of cursor. How do you create that? To implement step number 3, we use a predefined function called cursor, which is present in the connection class. In the previously, we got the connection object, CON dot cursor object. It is acting like a bus between one village to another village. Inside the bus, passengers will be transferred from one village to another village. So it is like a vehicle between your Python program and the database software. Between Python program and the database software. Type of cursor object is equal to like this. CX underscore Oracle module, cursor is a class. Next what? Design the query, place the query in the cursor object and send to the database software by using cursor object and execute. DDL queries are there, DML queries are there, DRL queries are there. I told varieties of queries. Create, drop, alter, different programs I explained. Syntax with the syntaxes. DDL, create the statement. 99% of the time, the statement syntax is also in multiple data. 99%, I can say 97%, they are going to have the same. 3% small changes will be there from one database to another database. So DML operations, insert, delete, update. So how to insert a record, how to delete a record, how to update a record, and all those things explained. DRL is nothing but what? Select statement. How to select the statement? Fetch one, fetch all, fetch many. Do you remember this? Fetch one, fetch many, fetch all. Do you remember all of them or not? Yes, sir. So all these things are remembered by you. If anybody did not remember, I will upload in today's class same material once again so that you can download. So today we are going for dealing with the communication with what? MySQL also. So I'm going to take up the same. I'm going to use a new document here. So a new document I'm going to use it. So let me go for it. I just pasted as it is. So there I'm going to say steps for developing a Python program, communication with the database software, which is called what? MySQL. So dear students, MySQL. Simple. Now I'm going to say to use this MySQL, I would like to ask you to remember all of you to communicate with what? MySQL. So coming to the point of it, there we need to install. I will go to command prompt. Install. Wherever you like, you can install. No issue at all. So I'm installing in your machine wherever you like it. Which tool I will use? Pip. I will use a pip. Come on. Install. So there I'm writing MySQL hyphen connector. See the module name? MySQL hyphen connector. This you need to use it. Pip install MySQL hyphen connector. Then you press enter key. Since we taught to many of the students, already I installed this type of pip tool, pip installed in the class, and MySQL connector is installed. it will say system requirement already fulfilled. Dear students, first you download MySQL's database software, then you try to install it. Now I am pressing enter key. See that system requirement already satisfied. Already satisfied. Who is this person? Sir, Mr. Jai Jagan, I told you for you purpose only for 10 minutes. Before 10 minutes, I told you already. Again, you are asking the same thing. So you are just wasting my time, Mama. For you only, I told you 2 minutes back. See, you are disturbing me again. Sir, SQL Server and MySQL, both are same or different. You only tell me. SQL Server and MySQL, both are same or different. You only tell me, Ma, Jai Jagan. You are writing Jai Jagan. Okay. So are they same or different? Same, huh? How, ma? How it is same? What basis? What basis you are same it is, ma? Are you saying funny purpose or what? MySQL server is designed by Microsoft people, and the SQL server is designed by some other company. And this is not at all meant for our things, and this is going to be different architecture will be there. This is different architecture will be there. They are going to be different products. I already told you this point. 15 minutes back, I told you. By seeing your query only, I told you this. So you asked MySQL and then Oracle is same or SQL is same, you asked. I told you that all databases are different. All databases are different. They are not at all going to be same. Are you understanding, Jai Jagan? Coming to the point. Now here, my requirement is satisfied. So I am ready to use the concept called what? This entire discussion. Now I am going to use the programmatically. We are going to enter into that. So first, which module we need to install? I need to install what? Here I said one small thing. There we said a CX underscore Oracle. Here MySQL hyphen connector we need to use. So here I am going to say, dear students, import module of a database software and other results and other modules if required. Import, I need to write MySQL. Carefully listen. Programming will be so easy. Why? Because already we had the discussion. Same thing I will show you. MySQL dot connector. I need to say connector. MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot connector. I need to import. Yes, I imported. MySQL dot connector. I just imported. Dear students, please be careful. Import MySQL dot connector. It is a module. There I used a hyphen. Here I am using dot. Please ensure the difference. Now, Python program, same steps will be there. Now I am going to enter into the explanation for it. Import the module. Which module I need to use? Earlier PX, this part. Now I will say MySQL dot connector. This is called module name. Yes. Next, after importing this, in this module, Python program must obtain the connection from the database software. If Python program want to communicate with any database software, we use connect function, which is present in the module called MySQL dot connector. Earlier it is present in where? CX underscore Oracle. Whether you remembered or not, guys, I don't know. If you remember, in the polymorphism also I told you, connect method is same for all the databases I told you. Do you remember that? Connect method is same for all the databases I told you. So one connect method is communicating with many number of databases. So my module name is MySQL dot present in. I am going to say here present in MySQL dot connector module. So how to use it, sir? Syntax you tell me, sir. Very simple, ma. Yes, ma'am. Spurti, I will upload, ma. Let me complete it. Ma. Why you are getting that much tension in the beginning? Let me complete. So MySQL dot connector dot connect. MySQL connector dot connect. Here you must be little different. Here syntax will be little different. That's what I said. Function name is same. That I already told you. Function name is same. Parameters are going to be different. What is that? You need to specify post is equal to. You can easily understand. You need not to say, you need not to take care about anything. Post is equal to, you need to tell DNS. DNS you need to pass. What is the DNS we already learned in Oracle? What is the DNS you already learned in Oracle? Yeah, DNS for every computer. Even when I'm going to teach you the networking also, DNS is going to be same. What is that? Local host, or what is an address? What is an address also? What is an address, please? Yes, yes, excellent. 127.0.0.1. When you give the answers now, I will get more interest. Okay, my students are saying the answers like anything. And you are, and of course, don't feel that I'm boasting about my students. And you are doing well in the Python. I'm saying to you, you can do well in the Python. You can do extraordinary also. Okay, that is known as what? Loopback address we can call. Loopback address we can call. Next we can pass. What I'm saying there, comma, and I'm writing here. User. You need to write user. Don't write username. DNS is equal to domain naming service. Chiran, DNS is equal to domain naming service. That is the full form. Actual definition is links. Name or IP address of the machine where database software is stored. So I will write user is equal to username you need to pass. Username you need to pass, comma. Next you need to pass password. You need to write what? PASSWD. You cannot change your own word password, PWD. You cannot change. Right. So coming to the point of it, password is equal to, you need to say password of your password of your MySQL. During the installation of MySQL, it will ask you what is the password. It will ask you which password you want to keep for your MySQL software. It will ask you. So without asking, it won't go. It will ask you. Like for Oracle, it will ask you. So fine. Next I need to say these are the columns. You need to take. This is the statement. Here I need to write username, database username. This you are already understanding. DNS, host is equal to, I will write host. Here I will write some column names I will change. What is the host? Host is nothing but what? I am writing nothing but DNS, domain naming service. Nothing but DNS, which is nothing but domain naming service. So IP address of the machine where my database software is installed. So you need to take the similar kind of explanation only. Nothing to worry about it. So you are understanding the same. And username, database username. In my system, in KVR system, I am using default username only I took it. Default name only I took it. And then default name only I took it. In my system, password also I took it as a default password only. I took it. Because this is called PSWD. It is called what? User. I will write USER. User. Nothing but what? Username. So we got it. Service ID, not necessary. This is not necessary because MySQL will not bother about this kind of part. So how do you write it? Coming to the point of it. Now I am writing this type of discussion. How do you write it? Here I am writing like this. What is that? User. Host. Host is equal to schema. I am writing host is equal to, I am writing localhost. Yes, comma. Next I am writing localhost. Next I am writing user is equal to, I am saying root, comma. Next I am writing PASSWD is equal to root I said. Close. 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 I said close. King, yes, ma'am. Yeah, MySQL also similar to that only, but because we have already knowledge of what Oracle now, that's why you are feeling more easy. That's why we are feeling more easy. Port number not necessary, ma'am. So MySQL is Oracle, both of them are similar. Because we spend more time on the Oracle now, that's why it is easy for you. Okay, anyhow, so you are get the connection object. So here we need to write what? Here we need to write what? MySQL dot connector, connector dot connect. See ma, MySQL dot connector dot connect. You are getting host is equal to, user is equal to, password is equal to. So you will get it as what? MySQL dot connector dot connection. Python program obtains connection with obtains connection with what? Connection from where? MySQL database. Fine. Next we are going to do cursor object. Easy. Create a Python cursor object which is used to carry the query from Python program to the database software and brings the result from the database software. So how to implement this step number 3? We use a predefined function called cursor, which is present in connection class. Connection class is there in cx underscore Oracle, and connection class is there in the MySQL.connector module also. Whatever it might be, cursor is equal to x at cursor. Con is an object of connection object. Dot. You are going to get under that MySQL.connector dot cursor. So cursor is also one class, which is a common class for all the things. See how easy it is. Now after that we are going to apply, design the query and send that. You are having same type of little changes will be there. Little small changes will be there. That small changes you can understand during the discussion. So this is a small table creation, little small changes will be there. I can't say that they are going to be same as like this. Small change will be there. What is that change? I will explain to you carefully. This you don't feel that this is similar here. Just for a minute, you don't worry about this. DDL statements will be there. What are the DDL statements you have? What are the DDL statements? Create is there. Alter is there. Drop is there. These are the statements which are present into DDL. Under MySQL. DML, same. Insert, delete, etc. Most of same. These are going to be syntaxes are same. Only thing is alter, drop, create. Little syntax things are slow. Small changes will be there. That small changes I will tell in the class. Fetch one, fetch many, all of them are going to be same. Database related kind of library will not change. Only in the database side, small changes will be there. So finally we are understanding with what? Finally you are understanding what? Please tell me. With this, what are you understanding? Whether it is going to be called Oracle, or it is going to be called MySQL, or it is called DB2, or it is called anything. What are same? What is the same? This is my Python program. This is my Python program. What is different? What is same first of all? Libraries are same. Library is same. What will be different? What is your opinion? What is different? Steps are same. Functions are same. But what is different? Only one difference you tell me. That is enough. The only one difference you tell me. Just out of 100%, two module name. That is a wonderful. Module name is different. Module name. CX underscore Oracle is different. MySQL hyphen connector is different. Small change in syntax of DDL statements are different. And the rest of them are going to be same. Same to same. Nothing is difference. Okay. Shall I go to the MySQL database? 2 minutes I will talk about it. 2 minutes I will talk about it. So in Oracle, Seema, in Oracle, I will take something like this. Dear students, I will go to my Oracle here. I'm going to this place. or directly I will go to paintbrush. Of course, without time, I will go for directly. Here, dear student, I am going to tell you here. In Oracle, directly we used to go to SQL prompt. Directly we used to go to SQL prompt after entering username and password. We used to create a table. We used to do insertion, deletion, etc., etc. We used to do directly. But in MySQL, it is not going to be that much user friendly. It is going to be, this is take, for example, this is called MySQL environment. Please carefully understand. This is called MySQL environment. In MySQL environment, here to create a table, this is called one employee table. This is called a department table. This is called a marketing table. This is called a HR table. All the tables are associated with one database. All the tables are associated with one database. This is called database 1. So this is called database 1. Some name will be there. For example, I am writing employees, for example. In that, you have a table name called employee. You have a table name called DEPT. You have a table name called finance department. For example, you have a table name called HR department, HR people. This is the, under employees, this is one department. Next, what is there? There is another database is there. This is called manufacturing database. This is called a database 2. In database 2, this is called manufacturing. For example, assume. In the manufacturing database, you are having some more database. Like what? Manufacturing product database. This is called a product database. This is called raw products database. These are tables. These are all called tables. I mean to say, this is called a table number 1. This is called a table name 1. Like that, I am having table name 2. Like that, we are having, these are all called a table name 3. Like that, I am having many number of tables. So tell me, MySQL database, it is a collection of what? To create a table in MySQL, first what you need to create? Yes, please. To create a table in MySQL, what should I create first? Database I must create. What I must create? Database I must create. But in the case of Oracle, directly we can create the table. So are you understanding this minor difference? Come on. Fine. Let me enter into the MySQL environment once. Let me open MySQL database. Let me enter the MySQL database once. Fine. Let me go to the MySQL database once. Here in my place, here I am having MySQL. So this is my Oracle SQL. It is asking me username Scott and Tiger. This is my database. Open directly. I can create table name. This is SQL. Okay. MySQL is also I was installed. Recent version I installed 8.0 command line client. Click on it. It is asking only password. What is the password in my system? Yes, ma. Tell me what is my password in the system? Already I told you root. See, it is going to give you this one. See, MySQL command prompt is showing. And this is called what? Oracle related SQL. So done. Then, so MySQL was designed by some person whose daughter name is my, and he named it as MySQL. And we need not to know about what is his daughter name. Ask you what is the significance of this MySQL and all. They will ask you subject of MySQL. That's it. So let me move forward, students. Now I am going to say, what should I do? Can I go directly to the tables? Yes, ma. No, sir. First, what should I see? What should I see? What should I see? Databases. Databases. For that, we need to say show databases. See how easy this is. Show databases. Show databases. Please help me. Those who know MySQL already. Oh, we should go for databases. No problem, Arindam. Arindam, don't worry. Even nobody knows the MySQL answer. Don't worry. I'm sending something, some ABCDs I'm saying to MySQL. No problem. Arindam, when you are entering into the industry, after entering into the industry, nobody knows all the things in the industry. After entering into the industry, you will learn lot of things. And those things are not everything. That are going to be very, very simple. Okay. MySQL, after all, just 2 hours only. But Python is not 2 hours. Python should be learned very perfectly, semicolon. So it is going to show you the databases. Remember now, it is a show databases. Can't you remember this? So what is there here? Information schema, KVR table is there, MySQL table is there, performance database is there, PyBatch is there, sys is there. These are all called what? Databases. These are all called databases. Now I will go for PyBatch. Now I want to use PyBatch. What is this PyBatch? What is this PyBatch, please? What is PyBatch? It is the name of the database. It is the name of the database. Sravanti, not table name. See on the top of it? Database. So how do you use it? Use database name. Use a database name. PyBatch. I am taking PyBatch. Use PyBatch. Use PyBatch. Use. You are using the database. Enter key. In that, what are these databases changed? So you are in the inside of the PyBatch. Now what will be there inside of the PyBatch? What will be there? Database contains what? Tables. How do you see the databases? How do you see the databases? Tell me. How do you see the databases? Show databases. Now how do you see the tables? How do you see the tables? Ayo, Jai Jagan. Please follow. Show tables. Shows tables. Show tables. Shows tables. Semicolon. See that? What are the tables are available? Tables in PyBatch. See, tables in PyBatch. What is that? What is that? Student. Student. Name of the table is called student. Student. Arindam. Easy or difficult? Arindam. Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Show database. Database is changed. To use that, use a database. Use database. And in the table is there. In the table, how many records are there? I want to see. How do you see the records in the table in Oracle? These are called database dependent operations. Now, how do you see that records? Select star from, that is common. Select star from student. Select star from student. This is common. In everywhere, this is common. You take MySQL, you take SQL, you take supersonic database, DB2, anything you take, this is common. Select star from student. It is showing to you number, name, branch. Number is called 10. Name, marks, student number, Sharma, CSE. Like that, I am going to take lot of details. Lot of details I used to take. Are you understanding? Are you understanding what I am talking? Yes. So we understood. To come out of this, to come out of MySQL, we used to use, to come out of this, nothing more. So if you want to go to another database, if you want to go to another database, KVR is there. What I will do to go to the another database? Come on, how do you use the database? Avinash, tell me, how do you use that? Use KVR. Use KVR. In your mobile, after coming, you know mobile better than me. After using something, you will come to back or not? You will play with the mobile like anything. Same thing. You use KVR. It is a database. Database changed from where? PyBatch to this place. Next one, show tables. Show tables if any tables are there. So if any table, empty set, KVR does not contain any type of any kind of tables. Tables does not, or tables are not there in KVR. Are you following me? So with our Python program, I will create the table in KVR. KVR database I will create. So to come out of that, we will use exit. To come out of this MySQL, I will use exit. It will come out of it. Exit means come out of it. Even in Oracle also, I will use exit. Even in Oracle also, I will use exit. Exit means coming out of it. Coming out of it. So, shall we write Python program now? Shall we write Python program? Shall we test it whether we will communicate or not? Yes, sir. See here, different databases we need to follow. Different databases we need to follow according to their requirement. So we cannot, sir, in Oracle I did like that. So in MySQL I need, Oracle people says, if you want to use my Oracle, MySQL, you follow my standards. This is your need. You follow my requirement, they will say. Okay, we need to follow. Let us start without late. Now I'm going to say Python. So MySQL DB connect. Right. So I'm going to say MySQL DB test, database test, testing. I'm doing testing. DB test.py. DB test.py. Import. So easy, not at all difficult. We already did good programming in Oracle. My import. I'm saying that MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot connector. Yes. MySQL dot connector. Yes, I did. Next, I'm going to say connection is equal to MySQL dot connector dot connect. So say what there? Host is equal to I'm saying is equal to localhost, comma. If you want, you can write in same line also, no issue. But for your clarity purpose, I am writing in the next lines. Nothing is there. User is equal to root, comma. Now I am writing there only. PASSWD is equal to root. That's it. I am just testing whether it is connecting to MySQL or not. Just I am testing, mic testing. Before speaking our speech, we are just testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, like that. We will be mic testing 1, 2, 3 we are doing. Yes, mic testing. So I am going to test it now. I am going to write it. What is that? So in CON, there is one function is there, there is one attribute is there. What is that attribute? If CON dot, there is a function. You can easily understand. I will write it using is underscore connected. Is underscore connected is a function. Is underscore connected is a function. Is underscore connected is a function. You only tell me. Okay, cursor and all I will go. First time testing. You only said mic testing 1, 2, 3, whether it is connection is done or not. Is connected is returning true if it is connected. If it is not connected, is connected returns what? Returns what? False. So I am writing print off, I am writing Python obtained, Python program connected to MySQL database. Connected to what? MySQL database. MySQL DB database, or I will write MySQL database. Yes, connected, it's enough. Else, I will write else. Else is nothing but what? If connection is not coming, it is an exception only for you. It is an exception only will be coming. It is an exception only coming for you. Now I am going to tell you. First, let us check this. And moreover, students, one more thing I want to tell you. In this place, we will get exception also in the databases. Which exception will be coming in our Oracle? Do you remember that? Which exception? Yes, please. Database error. Excellent. Arindam, good. Try. I am writing try. Now I am writing try. Here I said, what I am writing? Except MySQL dot connector dot connector CTOR connector dot database error. Database error. Database error as DB. For example, as DB, I am writing problem. Problem with Python program. Problem with Python program to connect MySQL. To connect with MySQL. With MySQL colon. If any message is coming from that side, I will write AB. AB is nothing but alias name I am giving. What is the message coming from that side also I am printing. So let us save it. Let us save it. Let us save it. Just save it. Go to the place. In our place of this case, where is it? D colon 4 p.m. and create this place. What is that? Python, and I will say MySQL. Inside of it, I will save my code. Yes, DB test. I'll go to my place, G colon CD KVR Python 4 p.m. Yes, now I will take Python -12. I got it. Inside of it, there is a DB test is there. Come on to the point. I will go for write same I'll say DB test dot this thing. So I got it. Python program connected to MySQL database. Successful. My connection is successful. Then I can play with my database. I got an entry into the house. I can do the operation in kitchen. I can do the operation in reading room. I can do the operation in hall. I will do all the operations. Select operation, insert operation, delete operation. I can do every operation. Shall I move forward, Shall I move forward? Yes. Sir, now go for create. What I will create first? Please? I connected to the database. 1 minute. One database you create. No. Cursor object and everything is over. I want to communicate with Oracle. Okay. Now you need to create your own database now. You need to create your own database or not? Yes, sir. Create your own database, sir. Now create. I will create my own database. What is my database? Batch 4 p.m. Per batch 4 p.m. I want to create a database called batch 4 p.m. Okay, I want to create a batch 4 p.m. It's my database. Inside of it, how many number of tables you want, you can create any number of tables you want, you can go for it. It is up to your choice. So this is called all the databases of your project are clustering them together. Clustering means grouping of all of them. Okay, now I want to create the database. Easy. I will take the same thing. Why connection code I need to write each and every time? I will take the same thing. So how easy it is, you can't imagine. So now I am going to take db create. I am saying db create dot py. db create dot py. What is the database creation I am going to do? You cannot imagine how easy it is. Okay, now I got it. It is not necessary to write it, but I will write connection obtain. You already know connection obtain. What is that I am saying? Localhost, user, and then password is equal to root. Okay, done. Now you got the database connection. Connected also. Now we need to create the database. Connection established. Now we need to create the database I need to create. So to execute any type of query, which object I need to get it? Connection I got it. Next what object I need to get it? Cursor object I need to get it or not? Cursor object. How do you create? Cursor is equal to con dot cursor. Cursor object created. Next what should I do? Come on. Cursor dot. What is that? Execute. Cursor dot execute. What is your query? Creating a database. How do you create? Just expect it. Don't think about it. How do you create a table name in our Oracle? Create table name. Today I want to create what? Easy ma. How easy it is? Create their table. Now you need to create what? Database. Database. Create a database. Database name. Database name. Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. How easy it is? Create database batch 4 p.m. Are you okay? This is called your query. This is called your query. You can happily write you can happily write QRY. You can write happily here. QRY is equal to, you can write like this. So already you are matured, na? That's why I want to write it directly here only. Here only I want to write the query. I hope that you people are understanding. Are you okay, ma? Are you okay, students? Right. Now I will say here print of database created. Database created. Database created. Database created. Database created. Verify. I'm saying verify. Okay, I will verify. I got the connection. I got the cursor object. I got the database created. Okay, if you want to get, we can write one small sentence. Connection obtained. Connection obtained. For beginning, na, one more time I will write. Connection obtained. Yes, connection obtained. Fine. 4 p.m. batch database name created. So let us save. DB create. Yes, perfect. Go to the location of it, ma. I will go to my location. Where is it? 4 p.m. I will go for MySQL. I will say DB create. Very nice. And before that, I will just I will make my this is, I need to anyhow check it in this place. I will make it ready. So see, what is that? Show databases. So these are the database. Available databases are this many only. I have this many available databases only. Okay, execute now. Execute. Go to the Python programming. Now execute the Python. Same db create.py. db create.py. db create.py. How do you create, ma? db create.py. Press enter key. So connection obtained. Database created. How easy? Database connection obtained. Now database created. Verify. Go to this place. Say what? Say what? Come on. Don't be still idle. Yes, please. Show databases. I will say show databases. See, ma, what is created? Batch 4 p.m. Alphabetical order. Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Okay, you go to that batch 4 p.m. How can you check that you have tables or not? Use Arindam. Batch 4 p.m. Because you said that you don't know MySQL. Use 4 p.m. Yes, database changed. Next, what you will do? Show tables. Yes, show tables. Yes. So empty, which is not there. Are you understanding how to create a table? Are you understanding how to create a database? Yes. So easy or difficult? All databases are dead easy. These are not at all difficult at all. Please keep in mind. These are all databases are very, very simple, not at all difficult. So now I am going to deal with the table creation. Database is created. Next I will go for what creation? Next I will create what data? What I will create? Please tell me. What should I create next? Table I will create. For table is concerned, what is that? Now I will take this case. Now don't feel that sorry is copying and pasting, because already we are matured. I will write. So what I will what is same? So table create, tab create. MySQL connector same connection. Be careful. Post is equal to user is equal to password is equal to comma. Now tell me, what is the next one? database. In which database you want to create the table? You need to specify. Tell me. Previous program. Here you see, we created a database in this area, in this location I created. Database created 4 p.m. batch 4 p.m. Here what are we doing? Database created in where? KVR database. Batch 4 p.m. Where? Batch 4 p.m. Are you following me? Are you following me? Yes. If you write KVR, in KVR place, that KVR already database. KVR already database. So I want to create batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Good. Now connection obtained. Cursor object is created. Now execute. My intention is not to go for this. I will create the table. I will create the table. So what is the table creation syntax I am going to write? So what is the syntax now? Table creation. Very, very simple. So in the Oracle, at the time of creating tables, we use a number, we use varchar2, we use that, this, etc. So many. That are all called Oracle database data types. Here we are containing MySQL data types also will be there. There we use a number for integer purpose. Here we use int. Next, we can use name is there, name. We are using just varchar only, not varchar2, just varchar only. Next, if we use any kind of floating point numbers, we will use either real or float. We can use either real or float, REAL, real numbers. We can also use as float. It is something related to Java also, something related to old conventions of Pascal language, old meaning of Pascal language. So I will create a table. So creating a table. So I will take what? QRY is equal to, and during the table creation, see how easy it is. Create, which is common. Create table, same as previous only. Table name, previous, same only. I will create student. Right. In the student table, what you want, I will take it as STNO, student number, STNO. There I am going to take it as int. In our Oracle, we used to write what, if you remember me, in our Oracle, what we used to write, we used to write it as number. Like this, we used to write a number of 2, number of 3, like that. Here we are using int, like our Python data type, like our Java data type, like our other language data type. Here it is int. Their number of size, here it is int. We are using int. And moreover, if you are a beautiful student, even in our Oracle also, there is a requirement for STNO of what? Int. There we are using primary key. If you want, you can use a primary key. What is that primary key? If anybody knows little, primary key means STNO is not going to allow duplicate values. It is going to allow only unique value. It is not necessary to write compulsory, but I am just telling to you for high-end purpose. So primary key means what? It never allows duplicate values. Plus it never allows null values also. It never allows null values. It never allows duplicate values. That is, primary key is equal to unique values plus null, unique plus not null. Null values will not be allowed. That is called not null plus unique values. That is called primary key. I hope everybody got it. I hope everybody understood. Yes, students, are you following? Unique plus not null. Don't feel difficulty, because when you come to one stage, we cannot sit in the class and we cannot learn. Just on the way, by coming and going, we need to learn the things. Come on, next I am going to write a name of the person. Name of the person. That is nothing but just varchar, just only varchar, that's it. It is called varchar. In our Oracle, we used to write varchar2. Here we need to write only varchar. Simple. Suppose I want to communicate with a Telugu student. I will talk in Telugu. I want to talk with a Hindi student. I will talk it in Hindi. I want to talk with one English student. I will talk to in Hindi. I want to talk with one Bengali student. I will talk it in Bengal, if you know this. Suppose, if you know only Telugu, Telugu to Telugu, that is nothing but what? Only some syntaxes. If you want to communicate with other syntaxes. Okay, Arindam, you are Bengali. Okay, very nice. Okay. No, Arindam, I don't know. Just I am saying that. I don't know Bengali. Even I don't know Hindi properly. Only we are in Hyderabad. We are not going to anywhere. Okay, you will teach to me. Okay, very nice. So definitely once we will meet and we will learn it. I will learn Bengali also. Okay. Fine, ma. Let us start this. Number. Right. Primary key. Name. Where. Good. Remember now. Where. And this name also. Suppose name. How much you want the name? If you want, you can specify the size. Suppose 20 you want. 20. You can specify the size also. Now, name is there. Compulsory you want to give name. Name should not be a primary key. Why? Name. Two people can have the same name. That's why we are writing what? Primary key I should not write, but I can write not null. Why not null I am writing? Even in Oracle also you can do like this only, ma. But I did not mention that because I want to enlighten your speech now. Not null. What is the meaning of not null? Can I give any value as null for name? Yes, students, please. No, sir, we cannot give. That's why I wrote not null. Because plain syntax I don't want to write. That's why I'm just writing something. Next I will take. Okay. So enough. Two things enough. Because program should not become lengthy. Let it be. So if any marks or something is coming, you just take float and all those things. Number and name. Okay. Now you go for execute. Now I am going to say QRY. Now we are saying QRY. And this bracket is there, ma. Please take care about this. Bracket is not there. See QRY, you need to write it. QRY. So, coming to the point of it, here STNO I took it, and plus name also I took it. Not null. QRY. What is that QRY? Is a variable pointing to this. And what is created? Table created. Now table created. Let us execute. Right, ma. Bracket inside. Okay. Bracket inside. Okay, I forget. Otherwise, you cannot execute this. Yes, ma. I forget. Yes, thank you, Kaushal. Thank you. So, come on, go to that. Who is this person? Started again videos. So, started videos. So, table created. Check the brackets. Please check the brackets and then try to close it properly. Okay, table created. So, let me go to the save this program. So, I will copy. I will save it. Table created. .py. Coming to this place. Now I will take. So, done. So, what is happening? You see. Connection obtained. Now see what is our table created. Connection obtained. Table created. Which database table is created? Batch 4 p.m. It is created. Now you go to MySQL. Earlier you said what? Show databases. This one. Batch use 4 p.m. batch. You are inside of 4 p.m. batch only. Now write what? Show tables. Now show tables. What is happening? What is the table name? What is the tables in batch 4 p.m.? What is the table name? Student. Now you said DESC. What is that? Student. Even you said in Oracle also DESC. Now see, a nice table is coming. Nice table. Field. What is that field? Number and name. What is the type? Int. What is the name type? Varchar 20. Null. Do you allow null? No, sir. Do you allow name? Null? No, sir. Key. Primary. For what? Number. Default values. Default by default, what it will take? Null. But today you are allowing null? No, because you said primary. Name? No, because you said the not null. Are you following me? Dear students, yes. Let us move forward. Now, next what I will do? Next what I will do? Come on, students. Next what I will do, ma? Database is created. Database in that table created. Next, I will insert the values. Now I will go for inserting the values. Shall I insert the values? Yes, sir. Insert the values, sir. See, ma? I will go for inserting the values. Slowly we are entering into the subject part. So now I am saying table insert example, insert record, insert rec example 1.5, insert rec example 1.5, same to same. Yes, connection obtained, cursor. Now I will change the query. Come on, insert into what is the table name? Insert into come on, student. Insert into student. Insert into student. What is that now? Values. Insert into values. Come on. Values. I will take two values here. 10. I will take some name. Kaushal. I will take Kaushal. So I will take Kaushal here. 10. Okay. I will take Kaushal here. Okay. Now I am taking, dear students. I will take this is I will take in single quote. Single quote I will take. Close this bracket. Ending of this. Close this bracket. Ending of this. So here also you need to take within the single quote. Insert into student table name into wrong creation. Okay, in middle of it you will say some small funny things. So Ram is always so much affectionate on me. So really is my favorite student. Sir, you are telling. Of course, I will add the word. You did not add. Sir, you are telling non-stop classes, sir, without taking breaks, sir. Superb, sir. Okay, very good. Mr. Ram, how can we survive without taking the classes? You tell me. Okay, that's what. So, always our students are taking care because when I was not well last 20 days back, so everybody was praying for me and everybody was. So, when we are not working hard, how can we survive? That is my policy. Of course, even though we have 23 years of experience and well settled, always we think about our past. How can we survive? Work hard. Yes, ma. Yes. We have to work, ma. We have to work. So, yes. Right, ma. So, we have to work hard. This is the policy I want to tell you people also. You have to work hard. Without working hard, we cannot get the things. Okay. Anyhow, you are appreciating me. I am also appreciating you. You are also supposed to be hard work. And I can understand. Right? That's what. Work hard like there is no tomorrow. Excellent word. Excellent. So 196 F5, etc. Yeah, that is a very good thing. Yeah. Let us move forward. This by policy is that without working, how can we survive? This is my point from the beginning of mine. So whether you believe it or not, I want to share one point with you. Of course, that is our points where you can get tears from the eyes also. Dear students, what I came from the situation, 2 minutes I will, of course, because you all already said this. I just want to share 1 minute. I will share because I don't speak other than my subject in the class like everybody. But the way situation came, I want to. This is an inspiring for you, and it is an inspiring for many people. When we are in the school days, when we are in the school days. I'm talking about school days. Of course, many of you are from that place only, maybe I think so. So ZPPHS schools, you know ZPPHS schools? ZPPHS, it's called government schools. Government schools. These are yes, these are the things. So from our native place, we are from native place. From our native place, is Prakasham district. Prakasham district. Andhra Pradesh, Prakasham district. Yes, yeah. So from that native place, we used to walk. We used to walk from our native place around 5 km. 5 km to one mandal place. We used to walk and then we used to go. Walk and walk. So to our native place, our native place is Gautavaram, Jagan, Jai Jagan. So native place is Gautavaram, ours is in Prakasham district. Okay. So okay, ma, very good, nice to hear. Okay, from there we used to walk 5 kilometers to Mandal. Going 5 kilometers, coming 10 kilometers, and we used to go with chappals. I don't know, chappals with what in previous days, blue chappals are there. Have you heard about it? Blue with white color. Blue. Paragon, that are called rubber chappals. So while going, that while going, that chappals are there na. Yeah, that chappals are there na. The one support will be there. Bottom one layer will be there. On the top of it, something will be there. Paragon slippers. Those days, yes. So in that, some pad will be there, sole will be there. On the top of the sole, one link will be there. While going, that link will go out. Yes, ma, Navin Kumar, nice to hear. So that sole, that connection will be there, na, that is used to go out. So how we are unable to walk also. That time what we do? We used to keep one pin for that. It is gone, and we keep a pin. Myself, I am talking pin, and we used to attach with the pin only. We used to go to school. We used to attach the pin and we used to go to the school. And sometimes pin is also not available with us. What is happening? In the side by some ఏమంటారు అది తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నా, చెట్లు ఉంటాయి కదా, కంప చెట్లు ఉంటాయి. ఆ కంప చెట్లో ముళ్ళులు ఉంటాయి కదా, ముళ్ళు, దట్ వీ యూస్ టు టేక్ అండ్ వీ యూస్ టు అటాచ్ and we used to go to school. See, from that situation, Tummamullu, yes, ma, Rajshekhar, exactly. From that place, we are coming to, with a God grace, with all my students' grace, when I am taking my class continuously, even though we are well settled, we are remembering that Tummamullu Chappu. I used to remember that Tummamullu Chappu only. So we used to remember that days only. We never go and sit on the top of the tree. Always we will be at the Tummamullu Chettu only. Yeah, some Hindi people are not understanding. Yes. So I think Satish, nothing ma. I'm just saying. Yeah, Amar. My full name is K. Venkateshwar Rao. This is my full name. This is my complete name. This is my full name. Right? So, this is my complete name. Yeah. So, from that place, we came to this place. So, and of course, don't feel that. We came to what? That Tummamullu Chettu. Yes. That Tummamullu Chettu. We came to where? Honda City. Now we are in Honda City, ZX CVT. This is from that place we came to this type of car driving. So, but we never feel that. I always feel about Paragon Chappal, Hawaii Chappal, with what? That type of things only. So this entire thing will make us to feel what? Are you understanding what is this entire thing? Hardworking. That's it. This is what I believe it. That is what I continue. That's it. So, these are all part of life. Okay. Right, ma. Right. Thank you. and somehow you make me, yes, Praveen Kumar, yes, exactly. Plastic bags for keeping books, and that are all life is very good, right? Fine, ma. Shall I continue the class? So somehow you made me to go for, yes, somehow you made me to share my school days also. And I don't have many friends, ma. I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. I have only one or two friends. Even now also I have only 4 to 5 friends. And I don't have many friends because I used to grow with a lonely. With a lonely I used to grow. I used to grow with lonely. Why lonely I grow, I will tell you also. I will tell you the reason also. There is the biggest reason is there behind that. Very biggest reason is that because even if I say, I will tell you that one day I will tell you before the batch completes, I will tell you one day. Okay? Right. Yes. My students are my best friends. That is only I am talking to you more and more. Okay, ma? Right. So, shall I move forward? Yeah. Yes. Come to the point of it. Now I am going to insert the table. This is the data we taken it. This is the data we taken it. Table created and record inserted. So I am going to say record inserted. Record inserted. Fine. So let us insert this. Data insert. Fine. Let us go for that. Insert. Record insert. Come out of that. Go to the place. 5. So insert record example 1.5. What is happening? Connection obtained. Record inserted. Record inserted. Let us go and check it. Come on. DESC student. You are already in the tables only. You are already in the database only. You have seen the tables also. Description also. Now select star from. Same as that only. Select star from. What? Select star from what? Select star from table name only. Table name. Select star from student. Semicolon. Now you got that. Select star from student. No data coming. What is missing? You can tell me. No data available. No data available. What we missed? What we missed? Good. Commit. We did not commit the database. Are you remembering, everybody? Once we execute DML statement, we need to commit it compulsory. How do you commit? Connection dot commit. Connection dot commit. Then you execute. Then you execute. Then you see. Here, already you tested select star from empty set it is saying. So now you execute. Now it is record inserted. Now you execute. Select star from. Now the data is coming. Now the data is coming. 10 Kaushal. 10 Kaushal. Now I will go for one more. I will go for one more. 20. I will take it as something like ROM. I will take it as something like ROM. I will take it as ROM. Now execute. Once again, I have the data. Go to that place and see. Select star from. See here. ROM and Kaushal ROM. Next I will go for one more. I will take it as what? 30. I will take it as what? KVR. I will take it as KVR. Now I will go for this type of. Got it. Inserted. Now I go for inserted. Now if I execute again, you will get exception. Why exception? Problem in Python. What is that? Duplicates. Duplicate entry 30 for key. Student primary key not allowed. Already 30 was already there. You are trying to insert once again. 30 was already there. It is trying to place once again. Allowed or not allowed? Come on, ma. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed, sir. That's why we are getting this type of data. Are you understanding, ma? Are you understanding this discussion? Fine. So which type of insertion this is? Which type of insertion it is? Which type of insertion? Can anybody answer? Which type of insertion? Excellent. Static insertion. Rajkumar, very good. Static insertion. So we used to do what insertion also? Dynamic insertion. Do you remember dynamic insertion? Yes, sir. We are remembering percentage D, percentage yes, all those things. So with the help of you, with your permission, can I take my old one? Can I take my old one? What is that old one? Oracle database related query. I will take it. Let us move forward. With your permission, I am taking Oracle dynamic insert table is there. Dynamic query is there. Dynamic table. See, ma. See, this is a dynamic insert. I will just take this query as it is. I will take this query as it is, and I will paste it, ma. I will just paste it. So others, and then I will just paste it. I will just change it. I will just change it. I will dynamic insert. So this is called I will changing the module. What is my module? What is my module? I will take this place, MySQL connector. Yes, I do like that. Very, very simple. Okay, connection. I will change this connection. What is that now? I will go for MySQL connector dot. MySQL connector dot. I will write connector dot connect. What should I write here? I need to write something different. Which one I will write? This part I will write it. This part I will write it. I will write here the same thing. I wrote it. Cursor object I got it. Yes, cursor object. con dot cursor object. Con dot cursor object. I got cursor object. After that I just inserted static. Now I am entering into while true. Come on, while true. What is happening? You just see. Enter inside. Enter student number. I got the number. Enter student name. I got it. This one I will remove it. Because I am not taking those details now. That's why I am removing. Dynamic query. You prepare the insert into student values. How many values are there? Only 2 values I will take it. Only I took 2 values. See percentage D, percent yes. Within the double quotes, single quotes I written. Single quotes, double quotes. Insert into dynamic query prepared. CS cursor execute. D query, I will remove this part. I will remove this part. D query. D query contains percentage D, this part number, which you got from the keyboard. D query percentages and I got the ST name. We got it. Now executed. And then we said immediately what? Commit. We said commit. Commit. So with that, what is happening? Student record inserted successfully. Student record inserted successfully. Done. Do you want to insert another record, sir? Yes. If you say no, we will say break. If you enter anything for the student number as what? Value error is coming. Value error. Please don't enter str special symbols alphanumeric. If anything happens in your place, I will just do what? MySQL connector dot db error is coming. db error is coming. Dear students, are you okay with this? Exactly similar to the previous only. Let us save this logic. Save this logic. Yes, save it in our place. Execute. Execute. Now I am going to say 5. Done. Enter the student number. Enter the student number 40. Enter the student number 40. Now I will say Raj Kamal. Raj Kamal. I will say Raj Kamal. So inserted student record successfully. Next 50, sir. Check it out if you want once there. Check it out. Select star from 40. Yes. Next I will say 50. Do you want to insert the record? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I will say student number 60. Student number 60. Sravanti. I am writing here. Sravanti. Now inserted successfully. Student number yes you want to. Yes. Now I will say Bhagyasruti. Number is called 60. Number is called 60 entered. 70. I will say what? Bhagyasruti. Right. Shruti. Right. Now entered. Inserted successfully. Now I will say yes sir. Now, yeah. Now 80. Srikant is asking to enter sir. Srikant. Srikant. Srikant is entered. So inserted. Now I will say okay. Yes sir. So I will say Ram already. I enter your name already. 90. So I will say Ram. Ram. Ram creation. CRE. Right. Done. Right, done, inserted. Now I'll say no. I'll say no. That is nothing but what? Got it. End of it. Now I'll go to this place. Select star from student. See that all of them are inserted. All of them are inserted. Same name enter twice, no problem. Not null. You need to enter not null, not null. Not null. I said not null means duplicate values can come. Are you understanding me? Are you understanding or not? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Once we know one database communication, other database communications are dead easy. Like that, I want to select the data also. Like that, I want to select the data also from the database. Right. Yeah. Easy, ma. This is easy. Not at all difficult. So can I show you the database? Yes, ma. Shivam Sharma. Over, ma. Yesterday only. Oops, over. Oops, completed. Yeah. Now I will go for one more thing. Select the select statement. I will go for it. Select statement. Can I show you the select statement? Select. How many functions are there? Fetch one, fetch many, fetch all. Do you know that? Yeah. That example I will show you now. That example I will take once. So I will take once that thing. So from Oracle in your place only, I will take one dynamic select is there. Dynamic select. Select example one. Select example one. I will take it. So select example one. So this is a select example you have. This is related to Oracle select example. Now I will take this for your MySQL. MySQL things I will show you. All these things I will upload in the notes. Right? Done. So I will import as usual. I will go to this place. I do very easily MySQL.connector. So I will take my connect, import. This part is there. Next I will go for this connection. I will take this entire thing. I will just paste it. In this place, I will just paste that. Cursor object, I got it. Select query, select star from student. Execute query, select star from SQ. Select star from student. 4 p.m. batch, there is a table called student. SQ, that is our query what you mentioned. Student records. Execute. How many? Fetch all. I will say fetch all. Is a function name. So which is going to return what? All the records are coming in the form of list. A tuple of lists are going to come. REC in KVR. KVR contains lot of records. In that one record value you are taking. Are you following, ma? This is tuple of values are coming. In that tuple of values, you are taking one tuple. One record you are taking. In that record, many values are there. Value in record. Print it. Format of value. Separated by some space. So these record values are printed. First record is over. Second record is coming from KVR. In that second record, many values are printed. That record printed backslash. Bring into that. So outer for loop will give you records. Inner for loop will supply the record values printing separately. So this I will write it. MySQL connector dot. I will use a database error as a DB. So problem in database DB. Any difficulty ma here? Are you feeling any difficulty there? No, sir. Already we did that. And you might be practiced that part. Let me save it. Select example one. So here coming to this area. Py. Select example 1.py. See that all the things are coming. One Kaushal. Number. Next. Like this it is going to come. All the records are going to come. Right. So here, can you do updation also? Can you do delete also? Yes. How do you delete it? Already the queries are there with you. In the Oracle queries are there with you. If you want one sample deleting also, I will show you. Same, whatever you have, that delete operation, dynamic delete is there. I'll just open it. I will just bring it. I will just put it into my place. Others, I will just execute my query. Dynamic delete it is. Dynamic delete. Program for deleting a record. So happily I will go for this part. So let me go to the, so I will take this part. I will take it. I will take it. I will paste it. Now I will write here. Yes, done. Connection object, I got it. Connection object dot cursor object you are getting. Cursor object while true. Same. This I will take that part. This part I will take it. So I hope you are getting the confidence of doing the things. Yeah. Cursor object dot connection object dot cursor. Same story. Enter the student number for deleting a record. Percentage D. So only one thing. So you are writing QRY. Then you are saying QRY percentage of student. Remove that and say what? Done. Student record deleted. Do you want to delete another record? Yeah. No. Say break. So here I am going to say MySQL.connector. MySQL.connector. You are going to say MySQL.connector. Writing like this. Then you see finally block not at all necessary. Over. Finished. Save this code. Dynamic delete dot py. Excellent. Say py dynamic delete example 1.py. Enter number for deleting a record. Enter a number for deleting a record. So these are our numbers. So I will enter 30. I will enter 30. 30. So what is happening? So 30. SNO is okay. Very good. It is going to be unknown column. It is. Yes, excellent. STNO is my column name. But you are using what here in our place? SNO you are writing. SNO. See, it is a column name. So I should write what? All of you. All of you. What should I write? Come on, guys. What should I write there? Are you there? Are you there or not? What should I write here? STNO. No communication. No communication is coming. Are you following? Delete from STNO. I need to write it. STNO. So then it will be removed. Execute. Go to the place. See that. Enter the number 30. So student record deleted. Check it out from this place. Check it out from this place. Select star from. 30 is not there. 30 was removed. 30 was removed. So next I will enter yes, sir. I will say 20. So it is deleted. Do you want to delete another record? No. I will say it is stopped. You check it from this select star from and 20 was not there. Dear students, are you following this MySQL? Operations on MySQL. Are you comfortable? Comfortable or not? Yeah, no messages I am receiving, ma. Yes. So, got the outputs. So with this, we completed MySQL also. Whatever the pending topic was there, that I was completed. Okay, MySQL is completed. Try to practice all these things. This I will upload to you. This I will upload after my classes are over. 8 o'clock, I will upload these things. MySQL related kind of things. And tomorrow, I am going to introduce a new topic. I am going to introduce networking in Python. I will introduce networking in Python. That is also very easy and you are going to understand like anything. Okay. Networking in Python I will introduce. Are you understanding? Networking in Python we are going to introduce in the class. Are you able to hear me, ma? Dear students, are you able to hear me? Because no messages are coming from you people. Okay. So anyhow, class is over. Tomorrow's class we are entering into the networking topic. Okay now? Shall we end that session? Yes, ma'am. So we will end the session. Tomorrow's class, when I come back, we are going to move into the discussion called further. Okay. So tomorrow class, we will enter into that. What is our tomorrow's class? Okay. What is our tomorrow's class? Okay. So I'm not getting any messages, ma'am. Anyhow, we will start tomorrow. New topic I will introduce. Okay. Thank you. Good day.